Welcome to the Kitty Catty Snack Shack, fast food for famished felines. Now, let me think. Duck with cherries, duck casserole, Peking duck. Oh no, duck l'ange.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Well, yes, I know you are. I mean, what are we gonna eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Oh, your mother. Bless her. You see, all mothers are the same. They seem to think it's in their job description to stop us from having any fun. Oh, but not my mother. Oh no, she was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from their freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can jibby your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't feed it. So Jackie, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what is it you'd like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, tickle sticklebacks in the shallows. Then maybe as time goes slide to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'd go and slay a dragonfly, watch water float and embrace. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you want to play hide and go seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can jib your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch.